YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe. We're gonna see what's inside this box and you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. See what other things they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Here we go, let's see what this is. We have Prime Day deals going on now. Prime Big Deal days are done, I think, but they're still going on for now until the holidays. So definitely take advantage of the sales going on. And we go. This comes from Xmcosy, I do believe. Ooh. These are different. Kind of. Why is this open? Oh, it's okay. All right, look at this. We got a two-pack, Xmcosy Plus smart wall lights. A lot of colors to choose from. Scenario mode, music rhythm, voice control, lights. This could be perfect for any Halloween parties, Christmas parties. And works with Alexa. And should be easy to install. I don't think there's any really much screwing going on. We're about to take apart this and take a look. So yeah, definitely excited. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And here we go. Oh boy, it comes out. I found an easier way. Oh, there's screws. That's plastic, okay. Alright. Definitely going to need a manual because there's probably an app that we're going to need to scan. So, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right with ya. Gotta seal the deal. Let them know that this is for real. Here we go. Okay. So we got ooh la la, ooh la la, and not too plastic. Okay, so we got, maybe I don't need to do no wiring. That'd be great. See? Hopefully there's no wiring needed. There's screws and clamps. Allen wrench. Here's app info, Xmcosy app. And you got the manual. I would be very happy if I don't have to wire nothing. And I think I do. Yes, I do. Well, it's raining outside. Give me a minute or two. I'll figure this thing out. Be right back. Coming up.